Okay, hello. This is going to be a video on downloading skins with Crowbar to make things a lot easier. So first you'll start with actually getting Crowbar, which will be in the description with this link. You'll just download it as a zip, and once unzipped inside of its folder, it will look like this. Just run the exe, and it will launch Crowbar. From the site Rust Labs. Once you found a face mask or whatever skin you like, copy the code from here or in the URL from the Steam page, which is where the equals for the code is, which is right here. Go in your download path, set it up from documents to work folder, and set it where you want it to download. Put in the code and click download. So the reason that it says that there's an error, which I've ran purposefully just to show that this will be addressed, is you are not connected to Steam. So just make sure that you have Steam open so I can connect to it. Most people will because they run Blender through Steam anyway. Once your Steam's open and everything is alright, instead of getting what you saw, you will get this. Go to will take you to where the skin is located. Now the easiest way is to, if you're using Blender, is to go into Blender and use Rust Tools to automatically set up the skin. So once you're in your application of choice, in this case we're using Blender, so we have Tools. So all you want to do once you have a skin downloaded from Crowbar and ready to go is go into Blender, remove the material and add a new one, then drag the diffuse image into the shader editor, click the end panel and automate materials, switch it to specular, and you're all good to go. And that is pretty much the entire gist of using Crowbar to automate the process of downloading skins and making their locations a lot neater and easier. Hope you guys like the video. If you do, like and sub.